actually had to check the price tags on some of these new Dollarama finds because they look way more expensive than they actually are. I like to pop into Dollarama monthly to see if they've stocked anything that looks good, and this month was actually a great one. First, these gold salad servers are only $5. They have such a modern look and would be so cute for entertaining. This little wooden cheese board is only $4.25 and would make a great charcuterie board for one, or even styled on your kitchen counter. I also spotted these glass bottles. The amber spray bottle and clear soap dispenser are just $2.25 each, and they instantly make cleaning products or hand soap look so much more elevated. These fuzzy storage boxes are super cute. They come as a bunny or a bear, and I think they'd be perfect in a nursery or a toddler's room for toys or stuffed animals. If you need new dishes, I actually really like these white ribbed plates with the black rim. They have a simple modern look for only $2.25 each. This tall ribbed glass canister with a bamboo lid also caught my eye today. $4 is a really great price, and it'd be perfect for coffee pods, baking supplies, or even bathroom storage. For glassware, Dollarama always does a great job, and they had two really nice new options this month. These bubble glasses are only $2 each, and these ribbed tumblers are only $1.50. I also found this rubber tote bag that's giving me mini bog bag vibes. I wish it was bigger, but for $3.50, it's still a fun option for the pool, beach, farmer's market, or even as a gift basket. These woven baskets might be one of my favorite finds today. They're a really great size. They look much more expensive than $4.75, and I could see myself using them all over my house. I was also surprised by these magazine racks with the wooden frame and the patterned fabric. They're such fun little accent pieces for a living room or a reading corner. I've always really enjoyed these tiny ceramic houses. They have new colors now, and they're only $1.50 each. I think they'd be so cute styled on a shelf, or you could use them as tea light covers. This oversized sand timer is another fun decor find. I don't know if I'd actually use it to time anything, but it makes a cute styling piece on a coffee table or a bookshelf. Dollarama's faux florals have been doing really well too. This citrus and eucalyptus wreath is only $5 and would be sweet on a pantry door or inside your home. And if you're into pretty office supplies, they had these adorable stationery kits with clips, pins, and accessories in really cute colors. I also couldn't resist these beautiful sketchbooks in the stationery aisle. There were so many lovely cover designs, and they're only around $4 to $5 each. So let me know which of these was your favorite finds this month. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow me for more budget-friendly home finds.